Welcome to Hum, here in Croatia, smallest city in the world. What you see over there is this little parking area. Costs you €2 to park here. And yeah, welcome to Hum, the smallest village city in the world. A population of 30 people here in the mountains of Croatia. Always wanted to come here, and it's so cute, guys.
This one and this one.
So here the speciality is truffles. So everything is made out of truffles.
Oh, yeah.
So they got truffle mayo, truffle ketchup, and you had the truffle beer.
And truffle cheese. Wow, that's good.
It's good?
Yes.
They got so much good stuff over here. So I could take everything from here and here and here and here and here. The woman in the souvenir shop, and she said there are 26 people living in here and 5 of them are children. So we made it to a gin distillery here in Hum because it's very famous here, gin and truffles, of course.
Smells.
Yeah, it reminds people of that. For Istria, you have Teran for the red wine.
Bruman.
Really nice sweet beer.
Thank you.
No problem. Enjoy.
Thanks. How is it?
It's different, but it's just good. Hum is definitely worth a visit. Come in here, just enjoying some really good food, some really good drinks, and just strolling around. It's not that big, but so cute. Coming here is definitely worth a visit. Bells are ringing, so it's time to leave this beautiful place here in the mountains. Hum is definitely one of my favorites so far here in Croatia. Why you should visit Kotli? Look for yourself. Just a 5 kilometers drive from Hum, you will come to this beautiful place here, which is called Kotli. Don't know what to expect, just our local at the apartment in Pula told us to come here. Should be very nice. And you got this beautiful nature over here, little areas where you can maybe take a swim. We will check it out. Till now, it's also nice. Very nice. How is the water?
It's cold, but when you're inside, it's good.
Like always, I go into the baby pool. Yeah, it's cold, yeah. Never heard of Kotli? Now you have, and it's amazing, guys. There was a lovely little swim over there, or just a half swim, and here we got this restaurant which should have one of the best truffle pastas here in this area. As you can see, it's closed and looks pretty nice. But if you're coming to Kotli, guys, check out this restaurant, and if you go in there, put this in the comment if it was really good or not. Lovely place over here, Kotli Ham. Put this on your bucket list. So guys, welcome to the city of Rijeka. We don't have that much time here in the city, but first impressions, very beautiful, guys. The city of Rijeka, the third biggest one in the whole country, 130,000 inhabitants, and it's a harbor city here. And when you come down from the mountain, you get a perfect view to Rijeka. Beautiful buildings everywhere. Right behind me is the famous church of Lourdes. Lourdes? What's the name? Church of Our Lady Lourdes. And this yellow building over there is the Adria Palace. From here you got a view to the ocean, and we're gonna have some drinks now because it's very hot. We are going to this restaurant over there. Have a drink, maybe some food. This street is like the main street here in Rijeka. This is the Corso Street of the Corso district, or maybe the Corso Street, I'm not really sure, but this is like one of the main parts of Rijeka. It's definitely the place where you could stay a little bit longer than just one day. We hope you like this little video, guys, and see you at the next one, hopefully, and then we're gonna be in Kirk.